Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the way we travel? Imagine a world where vehicles powered by AI drive us to our destinations, eliminating human error and transforming the transportation sector. This isn't a far-fetched idea. Autonomous vehicles guided by artificial intelligence are a reality. As we speak, they are learning, evolving, and becoming more capable. The fusion of AI and transportation isn't just a figment of science fiction, it's happening right now. To appreciate the future, we must first understand the past. Autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars as they are popularly known, are not a product of the 21st century. The idea was conceived as early as the early 20th century. However, it wasn't until the 1980s that the first autonomous vehicle prototypes began to take shape, thanks to advancements in AI and robotics. The journey of autonomous vehicles picked up pace in the early 2000s, when the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, held its first grand challenge for autonomous vehicles. This event helped to spark a revolution, pushing forward the boundaries of what was considered possible. In the past decade, we've seen an explosion in the development of autonomous vehicles. Tech giants like Google, Tesla, and Uber, as well as traditional automakers like General Motors and Ford, have all entered the fray, each racing to perfect the self-driving car. Legislation too has evolved to keep pace with these advancements. In 2011, Nevada became the first state in the US to authorize the operation of autonomous vehicles on public roads. Since then, numerous other states and countries around the world have followed suit. Looking ahead, the future of autonomous vehicles is bright. Experts predict that by the mid-30s, self-driving cars could become the norm, rather than the exception. And with the continued development of AI technology, the possibilities are truly limitless. As you can see, the journey of autonomous vehicles is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The rapid evolution of autonomous transportation paints an exciting picture of the future. As we've journeyed through the timeline of autonomous vehicles, we've seen how artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in this progression. This powerful technology is not just changing the way vehicles operate, it's reshaping the entire transportation industry. From self-driving cars that promise safer roads, to AI-driven logistics solutions that optimize freight transport, the advancements are astounding. The integration of AI in transportation has the potential to boost efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and significantly improve safety measures. Moreover, these advancements are influencing societal norms and expectations. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are a thing of the past, where carbon emissions from vehicles are drastically reduced, and where your car becomes an extension of your living space. As we stand on the brink of a new era in transportation, one thing is clear: the future is autonomous, and it's closer than we think.